Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I've been MIA. I know I was supposed to post a video since Friday, but hold on. Better. I've just been really busy with a lot of things, you know, as far as like with family. Just been busy with family, and I've been doing like color and cuts, so I've just been a little busy. But anyways, I'm gonna start out with this Wet n Wild primer. This is a new primer serum that they came out with. I do have the Wet n Wild Rose primer serum, and they kind of come, they're in like similar packaging. I really love this one. Since I bought it, that's how much I've used, and it's really good. So I'm gonna be going in with this one today, and we're gonna be trying it out. I hear it's really good, so let's put it to the test. And this one's a hydrating formula, so hopefully it hydrates really nicely. Oh, it smells good. I know you're not supposed to like rub too hard on the face, but that's the way I always do it. You already know me and my iced coffee. Lately, I have been loving this foundation. I don't know why I didn't pick it up like forever ago, because this came out a long time ago. Okay, not that long ago, but it came out a while back, you know. And this foundation is so good. Like, I don't know what I was doing without it. And it's just the original formula. I still haven't tried the new dewy foundation from that they came out with, which I do want to try because I do have combination skin. So some of my face is dry in some areas, and then in other areas it's more, I have oils, but it's not like excessive or anything, but I do get oily here and there. And so I do want to try it out. I'm gonna try to work fast because we gotta take our dog to the to the vet because something's wrong with his eye. Like, he's not crying or anything, but I noticed his eye looks different than the other. Like, one looks different from the other, so we're just gonna go and pretty much get it checked out and see what the vet tells us. A lot of people are telling us it's nothing, that it usually happens with dogs, but I don't know, we just want to make sure that he's okay, you know. So we're gonna go to the vet, and then after that, I don't know, we'll see where the day takes us, but so far. Alright, you guys, so my camera turned off when I was talking about the foundation, but it's a really good foundation. I can't believe that I haven't been using it, like, and it's been around for so long. Like, I think I tried it once before, but like the shade was too dark. If I can find the clip, I'll insert like a video here, and I look like super orange, so I'll see if I find the clip, and then I'll insert it so that way you can see it. But oh my gosh, it looks hideous. So while my camera turned off, and right now it's literally at 5%, like, I just did this eye real quick and let it charge for a little bit so I could get something going for you guys, because I haven't posted, and I like feel like, oh my gosh, like, what's going on, you know. But I am using the Bretman Rock Jungle Rock palette. with Wet n Wild, and I just did this. This is, you know, something simple and cute. So I'm gonna show you how I got this little eyeshadow thing going on here. So I did go in with this shade here, Ape Shit, and I just used that as not even a transition shade, just the crease, as a crease shade. And it's pretty simple, this look. It's nothing dramatic. It's just fast and easy. Like, it'll literally take you probably like 5 minutes, 10 minutes to do at the most on both eyes. It's real simple. So that's what I did. And then I went in with this shade here, which is Don't Be Lying, because, you know, we don't be liking liars. No, I'm just kidding. But I used a Morphe M433, and then I'll go back and I'll blend it out. I'm just trying to get this done before, you know, my camera turns off. You know what, let me just go ahead and go with Coconut Concealer. And don't mind that lash there. That's the lash that I'm going to use to put on for this look. And it's the one that I've used in a couple of my videos already. I'm like super obsessed with this eyelash. Like, I like it a lot. And then I'm just going to take this Morphe... oh, sorry. I'm going to take this Morphe M454 brush, and I'm just going to use that to blend those two shades together. Just like that. And then what I did was I took this Jeffree Star JS7 brush. Ooh. So I took the Jeffree Star JS7 brush. I don't know if you can see the label there, but this is a collab he did with Morphe, and I just took some setting spray, and I'm just using this. This is the Mario Badescu spray, but it's in the Wet n Wild bottle. And I really like the spritzer in that bottle, so on that bottle, so I like to put, you know, some of my setting sprays in it. So here I'm taking this color here, filling myself, filling myself, and what I did was just line the lash line. Just trying to get it as close as I can to the base, as if I was putting on my regular liner. You can extend as far as you want. I usually try to keep it pretty simple. I'm not like, I hardly ever get crazy with the liner. Like, I hardly ever do it like super dramatic, but I do love a wing liner. It's just like my thing since I got really good at it. I just love to do wing liner. It's just, I feel like it always brings the look together. And I feel like it gives it like it elongates my eyes, like it makes them look more like extended out or something. I don't know. I like wing liner. So I did this in one of my last videos. I think it was where I'm using the e.l.f. palette from, it's like a little $3 palette. I did that in one of my last videos. Sorry, I just had like a brain fart. But I'm gonna go in with, what did I just do? Okay, I'm gonna go in with Don't Be Lying, and I'm gonna apply that on the lid. And you can take this pretty high. Just don't cover all of the shadow that you placed in the crease. And I pretty much just did that. I think my camera is gonna turn off again. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lash. I'm not gonna do it on camera. I'm gonna put my camera to charge again real quick, and then I'll come back and finish the lower lash line and then this half of my face, because of course this half is already done, and then we'll wrap up the video. Okay, so I went ahead and I did the other eye off camera. Well, not the whole eye, but I did do the lash line, and then added the lashes, which are the Hollywood Hills from Morphe. They are super good. Okay, so next I went in with the Neon LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner, and this one's the in Fresh, and I just lined the waterline. These are super creamy, like they literally just glide on. And then I went in with this Morphe, oh no, this is a crown brush. This is a Crown C527, and it's a little itty bitty brush, and I think Morphe has a brush like this too. And I just took Anaconda and swooped it all underneath the lash line, the lower lash line. Okay, so it literally took me like just a couple of seconds. And then I went in with the KKW Mascara. Mine's just dirty, don't mind me, and don't mind my fingers. They have stains from where I was doing color these past few days. I had like 2 colors cut and 1 style like back to back, so like, I mean on the days or whatever. But I forgot my gloves because they were like house visits, so my fingers and my hands got a little stain, which is, it's okay, like, to me it no importa. I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this is the hydrating one, and mine is in medium sand. I completely forgot to do this before I added the bottom lash mascara, but that's okay. I'm just gonna take, oh, where's my brush? The Jaclyn Hill JH08 brush, and I'm just gonna blend it in with that first, and then I'll go in with the sponge. I'm not trying to do this in a hurry before my camera dies. Like, I'm trying to do it like quickly for you guys, because I want to load a video for you guys already. Like, I know I've kind of been slacking, and then I'm trying to hurry too because we got to take the dog to the vet like within the next couple of minutes, so I'm trying to just get it done. But I promise you the next video is not going to be in a hurry. I mean, this is just me trying to get something up for you guys. and it's not, I'm going in with the banana Brigthen powder and my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. And I'm setting it, and once I set it, I'm taking this brush, and I got it from Five and Below, and it's just an angle blender brush, but it's like a little mini flat top brush, and just swooping it all over just to brighten up underneath the eyes and take off the excess powder. And then what I did was I went in with the butter bronzer for the just to bronze my skin. And then I love this bronzer because it like literally just glides right on. Like, you can use it messily and it just looks beautiful anyway. And then I went in with the butter bronzer, the butter blush from Physicians Formula in Vintage Rouge. Added a little bit of color to the cheeks. Just like that. And then for highlight, I used the Wet n Wild Hello Halo, and I just mixed both shades. And this one is in After Sex Glow, and I just lightly dusted right here and a little on the brow, above the brow. And you guys know I like to highlight my nose. It's just my thing. A little on the chin. And then for gloss, I just went in with the Stay Glossy from Rimmel London, and this one is in Purple Parlor. Yeah, Purple Parlor. And this is the color I have on my lips. And I'm just going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray. Oh, and this is the new one, the matte one. I'm going to air dry my face with the fan. This scent literally reminds me of a setting spray I have. I just have to smell them all to see which one it reminds me of, but love the scent on that one. It kind of smells like cucumbers for some reason. But anyways, this is the final look. I really love the way that this eyeshadow look turned out, even though I was like, you know, kind of in a rush, like trying to get it done. But I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm sorry that it was like kind of a rush video. It's just my camera's low, the battery's about to die out like right now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again, and I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye.